Dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to fix out the issue of your BSOD error with error code 0xc0000098. Your PC or device need to be repaired. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, before performing the steps, I suggest you, if you have attached any external device to your system, purchase any SVOW controller, Xbox control, any external mouse or keyboard. Make sure you unplug all the external devices from your system and then simply restart your PC and check if you're still getting this particular issue of error code 0xc0000098 to 100. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the advanced step. Go ahead, restart your PC, turn off your PC, using the power button and then turn it on. And once Windows are timed to load, and I mean whenever the spinning doors start to come up, just go ahead, press and hold the power button again for at least 10 seconds until your system turn. As soon as your system turned off, go ahead and turn it on, and once the spinning surplus started again, hold and press your power button for 10 to 15 seconds to turn of your PC. You need to do this step 3 to 4 times, and then your Windows will start in the recovery mode and a screen start up which is saying diagnosing your PC. I hope you understood. Well, go ahead and do the steps as I have told you right over here. I'll go ahead and restart my PC using the power key 3 to 4 times until I see a screen diagnosing your PC. Here comes the screen preparing automatic repair, diagnosing your PC. Now this means I have restarted my system correctly using the power button. Now after diagnosing your PC, you will see a screen like this, automatic repair. From here you need to click on the option, Advance option. Now click on the option, Troubleshoot. Now here click on the option, Advance option, and select Command Probe. So let your username, if you have entered any password, enter the password. Else click on the Continue to open the command. Now here, you need to type here a few commands. First one is boot drag /fix boot and then hit the enter. If it is giving you access is denied, type here boot sqt /anti60 sqs and hit the enter key. Now again type the same command, boot drag /fix boot and hit the enter. Now type another command, boot drag /fixed mvr. Now for command is boot drag /label bcd and then hit the enter. It was started to scan. Now, it is showing that total identified Windows installation is 0. Now, at your end, if it is showing that identified Windows installation is 1, under it, it will ask you a question to type in either Y and or A, so you need to type the errors I have shown right over here to select all the installation and then hit the Intel. Once done, I've exit. Now, go ahead, restart your PC and check if you are still getting the error code 0xc0000009. If this failed to work out, let's with the next step. Again you need to add out to command from 9 command from you need to type a command which is bcd boot face that drive letter of your window. Generally whenever you open command from over here that drive letter of your Windows change from C to D, well type in D double comma / Windows face / as face again that drive letter of your window which is again D double comma and then hit the enter. Now once it is done simply copy the last command which is bcd boot face /b and face as it is over here by pressing the Ctrl B button. And then in the entrance it is giving me the error because I have chosen a drive ASC. But the default RIDE is now D while typing the D key over here and then in the entrance. The boot file successfully created. Now go ahead, close it again, turn off your PC and then Restart it, and this will completely fix out the issue of error code 0xc00098. In your Windows PC, now if all the method fails, the last few have is to do an installation of your Windows and then recover your data to do so. You need to use a USB drive of Windows and then plug into your system. I'll go ahead and plug in Windows USB drive and then show you how you can fix out with this particular error. Select your language and hit the next button to continue and click on the option Install Now Tools. I don't have a product king. Select the edition of your Windows and hit the next button to continue. A separate Amazon connection from here. Click on the option Custom Install Now. Here is the point in whatever drive you would like to install Windows in your partition to or in your partition. Generally, what people does is simply select the drive and either click on this delete option or else choose the option format, which will completely format your C drive. But in your case, you do not need to choose any of these options. Simply select the drive and click on the next button to continue. It will take up to 30 minutes and this will completely install the new operating system in your current drive, which is drive C. And after the installation of your drive, all your data will be completely safe in other drives, which is if you have drive D, E, or R. And the data from your C drive can be easily recovered either using a software which I will give you in the description of this video, or else you can simply head over to C drive Windows.org folder, and as soon as you open Windows.org folder you will find a folder with your existing username. Go ahead, open that particular folder, and in that folder you will find all your files from a C drive. So this is all about it, friends. If this video was helpful for you, requested to please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.